Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Ford Fusion fender. First, prioritize safety by securely raising your vehicle and supporting it with jack stands. Next, remove the front wheel. This provides much-needed space to work. Then, using a trim tool, carefully detach the inner fender splash shield. You will find several pushpins and a few 7mm bolts holding it in place. Take your time with these initial steps. Now, let's tackle the bolts along the top and side. Open your hood and remove the several 10mm bolts securing the fender along the upper edge, near the engine compartment. Next, open the front door wide. You will find a key bolt located inside the door jamb, often requiring a 10mm wrench due to the tight space. Be sure to remove this one. It is often overlooked. Moving to the lower sections, you will find two lower fender bolts underneath the vehicle, typically 8mm or 10mm. Next, carefully detach the front bumper cover from the fender. There are usually a few clips and screws, often 7mm, connecting them. Finally, reach inside the rear part of the front wheel well to remove a 10mm mounting nut. With all fasteners addressed, it's time for the final removal. Carefully inspect the entire fender perimeter to ensure every bolt, screw, and clip is detached. Gently pull the fender away from the vehicle, being extremely cautious not to scratch surrounding body panels. Having an assistant to support the fender as you guide it off can prevent accidental damage. Installation is simply the reverse of these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.